check this griddle out for some smash burgers. We're currently at 490, 490, 485. It's dropping. We're going to give it a few more minutes. We're at 492 and rising. Together. Alright, there it is. Smash burgers on the pizza oven grill with some grilled onions. I'm sorry I didn't catch everything, but it's dinner time and I need to get rolling. So there you are. It wasn't perfect, to be honest with you. The smash burgers wanted to stick a little bit. That could have been because I was rushing and not allowing them to release. This ground hamburger that I make just has so much flavor in it. Do yourself a favor. If you do a lot of cooking and trimming, save the trimmings, put them in the freezer. Save the trimmings, put them in the freezer, and get yourself a little inexpensive grinder or something and borrow one and grind your own hamburger. It's night and day.